Welcome to another Solidworks tutorial. We appreciate your support through your subscription. Our goal is to help you learn Solidworks through step-by-step tutorials using simple models in short videos. In this episode, we will guide you in modeling a pen. As always, start by clicking on the above tab, then select New, and click on Part to begin modeling. You have the option to start modeling from 3 different plans, depending on what's suitable for you. For now, let's begin with the right view. In this method we use symmetric laws, thus we assuming half of pen and then start to sketch on our plan. So we start from the bottom of the pen. First we plot symmetric line, then we start to plot half shape of the pen. Just for plot tip of the pen we use Spline. Now is time to revolve our sketch around the axis line that we plot in initial of sketching. For revolving, we need to finish our sketch and go to Features, then select the axis line to revolve our sketch around the line. At this point, we have completed 60% of the modeling, and we want to plot texture on the surface of our pen. So we use Cut Extrude, and after detailing, we use a circular pattern to rotate the texture periphery of the pen. Finally, we want to extract our solid pen, so we use the shell option and then select the end and bottom of the pen that we want to be a hole. Then we select our intended thickness. This section is finished. As you have seen, we design a pen as a piece of cake. It takes just 5 minutes, so follow our next section to learn how we should assemble one pen component. Thanks for your subscription. As the Iranians say, Bedrood.